Good day, sir. I am Prince Bonbolanyo. In this video, I will explain the part of the ship's magnetic compass. Soft iron spear. They are adjusted horizontal closer to or further from the compass. Closer or when placed in the ship's magnetic field, they become temporarily magnetized, creating an opposing magnetic field that horizontal induced magnetism of the ship itself. Correction particular effective for which varies with the constant of twice the compass heading. Second is binacle. The binacle is a wooden or non-magnetic metal pedestal. It protects the compass from the elements and provides a stable platform. Third is the outward shaped magnet 3C. This tray located inside the binacle holds a series of permanent magnetic arrays horizontal perpendicular of the ship keel. These magnets are adjusted, moved closer or further or reserved to contract the ship's permanent magnetic field that acts the outward shape direction. Fourth is base. The base is a pipe firmly secured to the ship deck, usually on the center line. It ensures the binacle and compass remain upright and their designated position, minimizing vibration and the movement that could affect compass readings. 5 is the peephole going to the ship bridge. This is a typically or a tube or optical arrangement that transmit a view of the compass card from this location, often of the Monkey Islands, twisted down the Helmsman, oversteer, and bridge. Is an involved mirror or lenses. 6 is compass bowl. It is a typically a liquid-filled, hermetically sealed bowl made of the non-magnetic material. This liquid, often a mix or alcohol and distilled water, serve a two main purpose. 7 is the Flinders bar. It is a vertical soft iron hair placed in a tube forward or aft side of the binocle. It becomes temporarily magnetized by Earth vertical magnetic field. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is force and aft B magnetic tree. This tray located inside the binocle holds a series permanent magnetic arranged horizontal parallel the ship's scale, force and aft direction. These magnets are adjusted, moved to the closer, further or reversed to counteract the ship's permanent